Do you know many people are having trouble with changing their refrigerator water filters? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove shelf. Remove the top shelf to gain access to the water filter area. Step 2. Open cover. Open the water filter cover by pinching the sides and pulling it down. Step 3. Remove filter. Twist the filter down and out by turning it counterclockwise. Step 4. Insert filter. Unbox and prepare the new filter, then insert it firmly into place. Step 5. Close cover. Close the cover securely, ensuring it clicks into place. Step 6. Flush system. Run water through the system for 5 minutes to flush it properly. By following these steps, you should now have a brand new water filter in your LG refrigerator. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.